Wooten Nomad Brooked or okay?
Yeah, I'm unknown, man.
Green?
Yeah, it's green.
Green or red?
It's green. Hmm?
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
green.
Okay. So you
Yeah, I clear it.
and yeah. I will keep heal you.
Yeah, I put my shock turret to my.
Okay, I think it's on the raised area, isn't it? Explosive bullets.
Come Steve here. Cover him like me. Yeah.
And I've got explosive bullets ready.
Very nice.
Nice. If you got there eventually.
Take it right there.
Yeah.
They
Well
are
played,
here.
guys. Well played.
GG, who the fuck is using a Predator? You should go be ashamed of yourself, man. I'm sorry, but I really dislike that set.
You guys are using Predator?
Nope.
You guys are using Predator?
Nope.
One of you guys is using Predator?
Nope.
Stav was using Predator and he's changed to D3.
We were testing gear sets out.
So,
That's why I had
so
Predator
go
on.
be ashamed of yourself.
Is he on a shield now when we're fighting you guys? Is he? Or is he on a Predator? Is he on a Predator? Well, that's because we were testing the set and he's not playing it now, is he?
Shut the fuck up then, you stupid little fucking dickhead.
Okay, you got a big mouth on you, huh?
aNGRY?
You Mr. Angry.
Were you not loved as a child or something?
Were you mishandled as a child? What's going on? Why are you so foul-mouthed?
You're the one who's telling everyone to be ashamed.
No, I'm just telling whoever's using the Predator.
Go to stick.
Yeah. Go and grow.
Let's go again, fuckers. I'll change the Predator.
Now you're calling me a fucker? What is wrong with you, man? Why are you? What's wrong with you?
aNGRY.
Why do you need to be so foul-mouthed?
You fucking bellend.
We'll go rogue then, you nit.
Focus him.
Mr.
Let's go to follow him. Let's kill him at checkpoint. Toten will be restarted.
Yeah.
So you got nice friends these days, Jay?
Yeah, maybe he's not with.
I don't think he's with them.
I'm in.
Okay, the stick.
You'll like give yourself a heart attack, mate.
Yeah, I'm restocked.
Okay. Yeah.
I won't, dude.
Wait, 1 second. I have my fucking.
What you're saying is you're calling everyone else for using the shit you're using. Right?
How do you not get the fact that we're testing it out?
Will be
funny.
Drink soda. Drink soda. You almost get your judge here.
Should we push on him?
Behind. Kill him fast.
Spanish shot.
He's dead.
Oh my god.
Okay, push. Kill. Push with net. Healing me here.
I think we just started a war with. I think we just started a war with the judges.
Brilliant. No problem.
Only one is judges, right?
No, but I think they teamed up with another team. I think they teamed up with another squad.
Oh, 3 guys? Yeah.
Want to push on the
Wait, no, wait. We don't want to lose.
the right, sorry.
Kill turret now. Heal here.
Stay down.
Want to clear?
Yeah, cleared.
We level 5?
Yeah, we level 5.
Yeah, I guess.
Should be at least.
Yeah. Killed so much. And he's on Predator. But not good enough.
You changed the shield first time you died, right?
Yeah. Probably second. I tried it a couple of times and then just got slaughtered.
Oh.
So it's upstairs in the sports centre.
So the Alfirni almost...
I'm almost what?
I've got the ult.
Oh, yeah, I get
Soda.
the point. It's actually canned food. Oh, it's totally right.
Should I change for yellow?
Yeah. Just same button clear. Recover.
Yeah.
They're following.
They're following?
Is it up?
Yeah, first level.
Okay, button.
Hey, Sue.
Hello. Hello, Zoom. What are you doing?
He's here.
Good job, guys.
And we got a boss.
Oh, I need some headshots, don't I? Oh, cool, that is awesome.
Go again, boys. Let's go again. Let's go again, boys. Let's go again, boys.
PvE type contamination now. See you at extraction.
Like,
Let's go restock before contamination.
Be ashamed, using strikers.
where
Should be ashamed, using strikers.
just need to go and extract all of these casters I got back.
Let's go to Z3, what's up? Dig is going rogue? No.
Easy walk.
Stick in
TZ3,
TZ3?
yeah.
Oh, you will extract
Yeah,
Steve?
yeah. Steve, they try and jack us.
I guess a combination with high crit chance and life points on crit hit is not so bad.
Oh, a lot of caches.
Yeah. Incomplete full. Incomplete, but
That was funny. Did you record that, Alpha?
No, but that's a good idea.